Today we are going to learn about decoding NFT marketplaces, a practical guide. We will explore how to navigate NFT marketplaces effectively, focusing on choosing the right platform, listing your NFTs, and engaging with the community to maximize your success. By the end, you will have practical skills for making informed decisions and promoting your digital assets. Welcome to our guide on decoding NFT marketplaces. In this video, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how NFT marketplaces function, their significance in the digital asset ecosystem, and how you can leverage them effectively. NFT marketplaces are platforms that facilitate the buying, selling, and trading of non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets verified using blockchain technology. These marketplaces are crucial for anyone looking to engage with NFTs, as they provide the infrastructure to list, purchase, and trade these assets securely. Throughout this video, we will explore the key aspects of NFT marketplaces, helping you navigate and choose the right one for your needs. Let's delve into some of the most popular NFT marketplaces available today. First on the list is OpenSea, known for its user-friendly interface and vast selection of digital assets. It supports multiple blockchains, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. Next, we have Rarible, a community-driven marketplace that empowers users to create and sell their own NFTs. This platform stands out for its decentralized governance model, where users can vote on platform upgrades. SuperRare offers a more exclusive experience, focusing on high-quality, curated digital art. Artists must apply to be featured, ensuring that the platform maintains its reputation for exceptional artwork. Foundation is another curated marketplace, where artists can only join by invitation from existing members. This exclusivity fosters a unique community of creators and collectors. Finally, Nifty Gateway provides an accessible entry point for those new to the NFT space, offering drops of NFTs that are easy to purchase using various payment methods. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and user base, which we'll explore further in this video. Selecting the right NFT marketplace is a critical step in ensuring your success as an NFT creator or trader. Start by considering the type of NFTs you plan to sell. Some platforms, like SuperRare, cater specifically to high-quality art, while others like Rarible offer a broader range of categories. Next, evaluate the fees associated with listing and selling on each marketplace. These can vary significantly, impacting your profitability. Look into the platform's user base and traffic, as a higher volume of users can increase the visibility and sales potential of your NFTs. Additionally, ensure that the marketplace supports the blockchain your NFTs are minted on. For instance, OpenSea supports multiple blockchains, whereas others may be limited to Ethereum. Finally, familiarize yourself with the listing and selling process on each platform. Some marketplaces require applications or invitations, while others permit immediate listing. By carefully assessing these factors, you can choose a marketplace that aligns with your goals and maximizes your potential for success. Once you've chosen a marketplace, the next step is to list and price your NFTs effectively. Start by preparing high-quality visuals and detailed metadata for your NFTs, as these elements are crucial in attracting potential buyers. Next, conduct research on similar NFTs within your chosen marketplace to gain pricing insights. Pay attention to factors such as rarity, uniqueness, and the artist's reputation, as these can significantly influence value. Consider using auctions to establish a dynamic pricing model, allowing the market to determine the final sale price. Auctions can create a sense of urgency and competition, often leading to higher sales. Additionally, strategically time your listings to coincide with high traffic periods on the platform, maximizing exposure. By taking these steps, you'll be well equipped to list your NFTs competitively, enhancing your chances of a successful sale. Marketplace fees are a crucial consideration when selling NFTs, as they can significantly impact your overall earnings. There are several types of fees to be aware of, including listing fees, selling fees, and transaction fees. Ethereum-based platforms, in particular, may incur additional gas fees, which are costs associated with processing transactions on the blockchain. These can fluctuate based on network demand and should be factored into your pricing strategy. Compare the fee structures of different marketplaces to determine which offers the best value for your needs. Some platforms may offer lower fees but have a smaller user base, so balance these factors carefully. Consider strategies to minimize costs, such as batching transactions or choosing a less congested time for listing. Finally, always account for fees when pricing your NFTs to ensure your desired profit margins are achievable. By understanding and managing marketplace fees, you'll be better positioned to maximize your earnings. Promotion plays a vital role in the successful sale of NFTs. Start by leveraging social media platforms to showcase your work and build an audience. Twitter, Instagram, and Discord are popular choices among NFT enthusiasts. Engage actively with NFT communities, participating in discussions and sharing your journey to build connections and increase your visibility. Collaborating with other artists can also expand your reach, introducing your work to new audiences. Use storytelling to enhance the appeal of your NFTs, as narratives can create a deeper emotional connection with potential buyers. Lastly, consider paid promotion options, such as targeted advertising or influencer partnerships, to boost your exposure. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance the visibility of your NFTs and increase the likelihood of successful sales. Community interactions are an integral part of the NFT ecosystem, offering opportunities for networking and growth. Building relationships with collectors and fellow artists can lead to collaborations and increased exposure for your work. Participate in marketplace forums and events, where you can engage with others, share insights, and learn from the experiences of your peers. Contributing knowledge and advice can help establish you as a valued member of the community, fostering trust and support. Use feedback from the community to refine and improve your NFT offerings, ensuring they resonate with your audience. By actively engaging with the NFT community, you can cultivate a supportive environment that enhances your success and enriches your experience in the space. Security is a paramount concern in the world of NFTs, where digital assets can be targeted by malicious actors. To safeguard your NFTs, use secure wallets that support the blockchain your tokens reside on. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts to add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Be vigilant about phishing scams, which often target NFT users with fraudulent links and offers. Regularly update your security settings and software to protect against potential vulnerabilities. Stay informed about the latest security updates and advisories from the platforms you use. By implementing these best practices, you can protect your digital assets and enjoy a safer experience in the NFT marketplace. Understanding and analyzing market trends is essential for making informed decisions in the NFT space. Start by monitoring NFT sales data and patterns to identify popular categories and emerging trends. Utilize analytics tools, such as DApp Radar and Non-Fungible, to gain deeper insights into market dynamics and performance. Adapt your strategy based on observed shifts, focusing on areas with growing interest and demand. Stay updated with industry news and reports to remain informed about the latest developments and innovations. By keeping a close eye on market trends, you can position yourself strategically and maximize your success in the NFT marketplace. As we conclude our guide on decoding NFT marketplaces, we've explored the landscape of popular platforms, discussed how to select the right marketplace, and shared strategies for listing, pricing, and promoting your NFTs effectively. We've emphasized the importance of engaging with the community and adopting security best practices to protect your digital assets. By staying informed and adapting to market trends, you can navigate NFT marketplaces successfully and maximize your opportunities for growth and success. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we wish you the best of luck in your NFT endeavors.